He promised me to tell if there's anything haunting you. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My sense is telling me I shouldn't worry, you know the truth. Ooh, yeah. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My sense is telling me I shouldn't worry, you know the truth. Ooh, yeah.
We've come too far to waste our story. Well guys, I get that down as a success. And as for the bike name, well, Bike Face was coming very close to being the name, but it's Gloria. So someone mentioned that Gloria, I will survive and all that lot. So yeah, I'll go with that. So the bike's name's Gloria, and it was close to a Bike Face, like. But yeah, I'm going to end this video as a success. A big thumbs up, because the bike was lovely, it was smooth. Need to sort out a couple of little things. Front brake's a bit soft, but otherwise everything works champion. And it's a very soft bike. So I'll look forward to riding this bike more and more and more. So here's up to Gloria. See you later, fellas.